Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from Capital One to Cash App. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Capital One and of course log in and just enter your username, your password and proceed to signing in. And after you've signed in, what you will have to do is basically you will see that payments and transfers section. So you will just have to select external bank transfer. So yeah, you will basically just see something like this. So what you will have to do is, of course, you will select again the external bank account, and then you will tap add bank account, and then you will input cash app routing and account numbers. And then after that, what you will have to do next is enter the amount that you would want to transfer, and then you will click transfer or next, and then you will just have to basically review the transfer details, and then you will tap submit or transfer, and then the confirmation will appear, and then the funds will typically appear in Cash App within 1 to 3 business days. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.